So now we have to understand multinomial theorem. So you know that in binomial we have two things, x plus y, two different thing, power n. So in this part we will have x plus y plus z plus alpha beta gamma and so on according to the question, and then we will have power as n. Okay, so now you can connect binomial with multinomial as, look at this. First I will deal with the number of terms. Okay, number of terms. So you know that in binomial the number of terms is n plus 1. Now look at this. In multinomial the number of terms, this is important, okay, number of terms is, look at this. So right now we have 3%, okay, and don't you think this n will be distributed on the power of x, y and z? Correct. X can take power as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 n. Same condition is for y, same condition is for z. So do you remember that topic where in permutation combination where we have distributed an object between 3% where 0 is allowed? So we want sticks, correct? How many sticks do we need? In this case we have 3%, so we need 2 sticks. Okay, so we have altogether n plus 2 objects, and then we will be selecting 2 objects. So this many terms right now we will have. Okay, now if it will have a plus b plus c plus d, this thing will vary. Okay, so it is like distribution of sticks among person. Okay, distribution of identical object among different person. Now let's open this thing, means I am interested in the element. Okay, so look at this. Suppose that I am talking about some term. How does term look like? So you know that it may have nc r, then we will have x power n minus r, y power r. Now look at this and connect all the dots. Can I write n as n factorial, ncr as n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus r into y power r. Now be super slow. What is power of y? R. And look at this, r factorial. What is power of x? N minus r. What is in the denominator? N minus r factorial. So can we apply same logic over multinomial as tr term, sorry, I don't want to use any formula, term as, look at this, I will be writing full n because on numerator we will have n, and then we have x power, suppose it is a, y power suppose it is b, and z power suppose it is c. So on denominator we will have a factorial, b factorial, c factorial. Okay, so this is the general term of binomial thing. Now the condition is a plus b plus c should be n. Here also if you add these bases you will have n. So there also you will have n. I hope till this part you guys are okay, and let's move on to the illustrations so that we can build better understanding regarding this topic. Okay.